Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today's recipe is a traditional Kongunadu style recipe for a fantastic evening snack, the Kajjayam. Simply the banana fritters. Here is how to do it. Kajjayam is made usually with the small country bananas. Varieties like Poovan, Rastali or even the local Yelaki work well for this recipe. This is a very popular evening snack made in the Kongu region, and the nice thing about this recipe is that it can be put together in no time. This recipe involves very minimal prep work and uses very basic ingredients that can be found in almost every home. I have mashed about 1 cup of bananas in a bowl. Add in about a cup of maida to the bowl. I have some fine rava that I am adding now. Take a blender and add about half a cup of sugar to the blender. Add couple of pieces of cardamom. Grind this to a fine powder. Adding too much sugar will brown the Kachayam very fast in oil before the inside gets cooked, so add only the mentioned amount of sugar. In some homes, they even use powdered jaggery. Add in the powdered sugar mixture to the bowl. Mix the batter well. While mixing the batter, add about couple of tablespoons of water so the batter is mixed to a doughy consistency. Do not add too much water. The batter itself will become watery after a couple of minutes due to the addition of sugar and the bananas. So add water only if the batter is very dry. Once the batter is mixed, add in the baking soda at this stage and mix well again. The consistency of the batter should be thick at this stage. After mixing, allow the batter to rest for 10 minutes. The batter is now ready. Now let's fry some fritters. Heat oil in a kadai until hot. Add a small piece of the batter to check if the oil is ready. The oil is ready if the batter floats immediately to the top. If not, wait for a minute more. Add in small scoops of the batter to the oil when the oil is ready. Keep the size of the balls small so they cook evenly until inside and they also cook fast. Keep turning the batter balls so the batter cooks evenly on all the sides. I use a fork or a spoon to turn the batter and it works well. Our Kajjayam is now golden in color and nicely roasted, and it is ready to be removed. Remove these and drain on paper towels. Crisp on the outside, soft and spongy on the inside. It is amazing evening snack. The flavors of cardamom and bananas are heavenly. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.